Okay, welcome to the walkthrough on the airline booking tutorial. This is heavily based on the EasyJet site. Um, it's, we've got some zip file to download, and we have some instructions in the web page. But let's take a look at the EasyJet site first. Okay, so here we are at EasyJet. Let's search for a flight. So Geneva, that's a place I go to a lot. And let's make it complicated by having several adults. So for 4 adults, there's 4 adults I want, and it doesn't really matter when. Let's say I'm leaving on Monday, and we'll make it a one-way trip, just to keep it simple. Oh, destination. Got that the wrong way around, so I'm leaving from Edinburgh, and I'm going to Geneva. This is not the part that the tutorial's about now. The tutorial is about after you've selected a number of seats, what happens next. You've selected your flight. It's the flight booking system that I'm particularly interested in, so we'll just zoom past these things here. Want to continue, and I want to choose seats. So this is the bit that I'm interested in. This is the part of the website that I'm wanting to simulate. What's going on here is that we have an image of the aircraft, and you can see that there are 4 people to be seated, and these are the seats that are available, and these seats here have been taken. Notice that the seats are numbered. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all the rows, and all the way across the aircraft there are 6 seats across. Okay, we also notice that some of the seats have got extra legroom and they cost extra money. But I need to seat these 4 passengers, so I can pick any free seats. 1, 2, 3, and each time I click, you can see that my standing passenger has become seated. I've got 4 there. Actually, that's not good. Best seats are over the wing. Let's get some cheap seats that are over the wing where the plane is most stable, and I'll pick those ones there. Okay, having seated all, it jumps up to here. It gives me a tick to let me know that everything's fine, and I'll move on to the next stage, and that's about all that I want to worry about. So this save all seats, I can click on that and I can move on to the next stage. If I unselect a seat, that becomes not available anymore. Okay, so that's really the functionality I'm after. It's this here, the fact that I can't select another seat. If I try and select another seat there, it won't work. If I try and select a seat that's already taken, I can't do that. I can toggle the seats on and off, and I can change my selection. And when everything's done, I can click on Save All Seats and move on to the next stage. Okay, so that's the EasyJet site. It's just this page here that we're looking to simulate, not the previous stuff where you were selecting the destination and that kind of stuff. In the next tutorial, we'll unzip the sample files and get started on this problem.